The first full trading day of 2026 just confirmed what most people missed during the holiday chaos. While you were celebrating New Year's, the silver market sent three signals that prove this isn't just another rally, it's a structural break. Nate Saint here with Peak Life Wealth, helping you protect your hard-earned money from inflation and build real, lasting wealth. Right now, silver is trading around $73 to $74, and if you only look at that number, you're missing the entire story. Because what happened in the last 72 hours, the $17 billion Fed injection we talked about, the 84 tons that vanished from Shanghai, and now today's opening action, these aren't separate events. They're chapters in the same book, and that book is telling us the old system is breaking in real time. Let me show you what actually happened today, January 2nd, and why it matters for your money. First, the recovery is real. After that brutal flush to 70.50 on New Year's Eve, which I warned you was a regulatory trick, not a real crash, silver bounced back hard. We're now trading in the $73 to $74 range. That's a full recovery of nearly half the drop in just 48 hours. Here's why that matters. When a market gets smashed down and immediately snaps back, it's telling you the selling was artificial. It was forced. The banks needed to clean up their balance sheets for year-end reporting, something called the GSIB surcharge. They had to look smaller on paper to avoid billions in regulatory penalties. But now? The snapshot is over, the calendar flipped, and the natural forces of supply and demand are back in control. Second, the physical market never believed the crash. Remember when I told you to watch the dealer premiums, not just the spot price? While paper silver was crashing to $70, physical dealers didn't lower their prices. They raised them. Silver Eagles are still trading $10 to $15 over spot. That's the real market telling you what silver is actually worth. And in Shanghai, even after the volatility, physical silver is still trading $3 to $5 above Western futures pricing. That spread is the smoking gun. It means the metal can't move freely anymore. China's export licensing, which went fully into effect January 1st, is already choking off supply. Third, the January effect is here. This is the big one most people don't understand. Every January, pension funds and institutional investors rebalance their portfolios. They look at what performed best last year and ask, do we own enough of this? Silver was the best performing asset class of 2025. It beat stocks, it beat bonds, it beat real estate. So right now, trillions of dollars of passive capital are rotating. They're selling a little of their overvalued tech stocks and buying the winner, silver. This isn't speculation. This is how the system works. And this buying is fundamentally different from what we saw in December. The banks were covering shorts, closing positions. The pension funds are opening longs, accumulating. They're taking supply off the market and locking it away for years. Here's what this means for you. The floor is set at $70. We tested it twice, once on the 31st, once on the 2nd, and it held like concrete. That's your line in the sand. As long as we're above $70, the bull market structure is intact. The next target? $85. That's the measured move from this consolidation pattern. And with the Fed now actively bailing out banks that are short silver, yes, that $17 billion injection was real. The path of least resistance is up. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people won't tell you. This isn't about silver going up, it's about the dollar going down. When the Fed prints billions to save banks from a commodity squeeze, your purchasing power is being destroyed. So if you've been waiting for the right time to protect your wealth, this is it. The signals are flashing. The window is closing. We're already seeing delivery delays stretch into February for certain coins. Once wholesalers run out, the buy button disappears. Go to the link in my bio for the free inflation-proof wealth system guide. This is the guide I wish someone had given me, and I want to help you the same way. I'm watching things closely and will keep you updated as this unfolds. You now know what most people don't. The next update could change everything, so make sure you're here for it. Stay sharp, stay stacked, and I'll see you in the next one.